Hey, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today's service day on the old Wrangler. So I'm just heading out to Bannister Chrysler. As I mentioned, Teddy and I have partnered up with them, and the great thing about Bannister is they've got an Express Lube. So I just need an oil change today. So I'm gonna drive out there and I'll be in and out in like 20 minutes. It's fantastic. It's faster for me to drive out there than to get my vehicle serviced locally, which is mind-boggling. But yeah, anyway, let's get this trip underway. See you shortly. Hey guys, and just like that, bang, I'm here. So you just pull up, wait in line, they'll be with you pretty quick. Both bays are occupied at the moment, but given the speed vehicles are in and out, maybe 10-15 minutes of wait time. But you definitely got to check this out. Try my best not to get in your guys' way. I would also like to make mention they do more than just your standard oil change, checking your tire pressure, etc. They can do all your warranty approved servicing, differentials, transfer cases, pretty much you name it, they can take care of it for you here. Another cool call out for the Express Lube here is they've got a loyalty card. So you come in 4 oil changes, get your 5th one for free. Check that out. Very cool. Not many do that, and as I mentioned, there's not really any Express Lubes with dealers in the Lower Mainland. This is one of the only ones, and in and out real quick.
Front brakes are 7mm. Rear brakes as well as 7. Rotors are dead, no pitting on the rotors. And no leaks underneath.
But thank you for noticing. And thanks for